I was seeing something really cool to do a quick review on. This is, well, it's RV roof sealant. It's designed for sealing up roofs on RVs. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what it's all about. Not just one, but four tubes of the sealant. Very cool. So let's go ahead and get one out and see what it's all about here. So this is by Circle Road, 10.3 fluid ounces, and this is white. RV rubber roof sealant, self-leveling caulk, durable, high quality, weatherproof. Compatible with EPDM and TPO sheeting. Adheres to aluminum, brass, steel, glass, mortar, wood, PVC, and TPV. Pretty simple and straightforward how we need to use it. I've got just the perfect spot to give this a test drive. I've got an old RV out here that needs some sealant around one of the little ports on top. So that's what we're going to do. And first off, we need to clean it, make sure it's nice and clean, and then make sure it's dry. Put the sealant on it. Now, what's really cool about this, it is self-leveling. So you put whatever bead you need to put on there, however you need to put it on there, and then it will level itself and seal up. Very cool. So there's only one other thing we need to do. Let's go ahead and take this for a test drive and see how it performs. I've got just the location for it. We will see you here in a little bit. All right, so the first thing I needed to do is clean up the mess on the roof of this RV. I've had a problem with this little vent right here for a long time, and I thought I had it taken care of, and this is a perfect type caulk to fix this. Now, this is really dirty. I had to clean it up quite a bit, but after cleaning it up, you can see there's multiple attempts to seal this, so I'm super excited to use a caulk like this, because this is a self-leveling caulk, and it will fill all that space on top of that right there. So cutting it open is very simple. Whatever device you use, a little saw, hacksaw, I'm using a little sawzall right here, and that works really good. Very simple to use. You put it into the caulking gun, whatever caulking gun you might have, and it's up and running. Now, I'm not the world's best caulker, but this stuff makes you look like a pro for the simple fact it levels out across the entire surface of where you put it. Now, I went ahead and used two tubes, but if you're a little bit better than I am at caulking, you could probably done this with one tube. I went ahead and used two, and I did get a little bit of mess there on the cover, and it cleaned right up. But overall, in my opinion, this stuff has done really good. It self-leveled and did awesome. Overall, in my opinion, this stuff did really good, and I definitely recommend it.